back again at the boat. If we do a quick recap of what we did last time, and then we'll go through what our plans are for today. Let's spin you around. So this is now the storage area because we have to move stuff, but we removed the two seating areas that were there, and also we removed the wardrobe that Andrea helped us with before, and we did some paint testing on the wall here. So today we've got a few things we want to do, but we're just gonna kind of get through as much of it as possible. So we have the seating area here. This had a falling leaf, but we'll be getting rid of the whole seating area here. We want to keep this dividing wall because it's a good line. This can't be removed, it's part of the hull, so it's a good line to make the wall for the bedroom in there.
We also need to move the log burner today if we get time. All of this copper stuff needs to come out, and we need to measure for a new chimney, but we need to repair the log burner because of that hole that you can see in there, and it also needs new rope, so we're going to try and recondition it, bring it back to life, fix it a little bit, and we also need to try and physically move it. So where it is now is going to be our bedroom, so we're going to try and move it to the wall where we did the paint testing, so that it's a bit more directional down the boat to try and keep us warm in the winter and not be in the way. Because then this unit is coming out today, hopefully as well. All of this will come out, which will give us a bit more space to then have this as our living area.
So before we said that we wanted to have as a walk-through bathroom, we've changed our plan slightly because it gives us no room to actually play on our computers or anything like that. So we're removing that chair and this section, because like over there with the triangular bulkhead piece, there's another one hiding here that we've seen. So we're probably going to use that as the line for the room divide. So if the room divide is there, we're going to have our gaming seats here. We need to work out a good space saving way, but that's where we're going to have that. So we're going to keep the bathroom as it is instead of the idea we had before, but we will be removing this sink to make room for the toilet so that we can have a nice shower in here. Yeah, just to update you with the plans that we made for this area instead of having a walk-through room. Yeah, this is a very small boat, so we're trying to make the areas that were important to us good to live in. So whereas it's nice to have a nice shower and stuff, we don't spend our most time in our shower. We probably spend it at our computers or in bed. So those are going to be the two most important rooms that we're going to try and make perfect in this boat.
it's a bit of a mess in here right now, but we have checked how bad the damage is in this bit behind the panelling, and it's not as bad as we thought it was going to be, which is nice. So we will have to take all of this panelling off, but we can then just replace it with new. It doesn't go right back into there, so that's better than we thought it was going to be, and we should be able to just get like one long piece of wood, cut out the window, and then put it on and paint over it. So that should be a lot easier than planned. We have taken out the back panel behind the log burner and the beginning of the copper bit behind here, because the log burner is going to move. We have ripped out the end part of the kitchen and half of the unit there that was the seating area. Whoops. This was awful. Please excuse the fan blowing in the background, it is very hot today. So we discovered that this was done in such a way that they actually screwed like a 3-inch screw directly into the side of the oven. So I'm really glad that we didn't actually use the oven, because it would not have been safe at all. So again, it's a good job we're not keeping the oven, but everything's a little bit of a mess right now. We've had to, all of this is damaged behind here, so we've had to rip all of this out. This is insulation, and then behind it is the steel hull behind the gunnels. So we'll be fine again to just get rid of the crap that's in here and then just board it over and repaint and start again. So this is going to be our living space here, this section, and then that will be our bedroom. We've taken all the measurements that we need to be able to start getting flooring and the wood panelling and tiles and all that kind of stuff, and blinds. Blinds is a big one, because at the moment we're just putting like throws over the windows. So blinds would be good, but obviously we need to replace the panelling. But yeah, we've done quite a lot today.
Also, we had a message from Marion, I think it was. Hopefully the last two videos, well, the last video and this one, sound is a little bit better, but it is nice to have feedback. That was the first proper piece of feedback we had from these videos, so it's nice to actually not just be talking at a camera and actually have some feedback from it. So yeah, I mean, keep the comments coming. If you got criticism, that's fine. If you got some praise, then that's good as well. But we want to make this as easy to watch as possible. And like Marion said, the audio is up and down, so hopefully we've repaired that or made it a bit better. We're using better recording equipment. So yeah, hopefully things are a little bit better, but please keep commenting, because it's nice to not be talking to a void and actually hear your voices.